Hi, I'm Chuck from MontiPower, and today I'd like to introduce you to the MBX Bristle Blaster, the only power hand tool that will deliver the equivalent of an abrasive blast finish on a steel surface. The Bristle Blaster was introduced in 2008, and thousands of tools have been deployed in industries ranging from petroleum, pipeline, to marine and steel coating to deliver that abrasive blast quality finish that's necessary when recoating. The Bristle Blaster is designed to be a marriage of the Bristle Blaster belt and the tool itself. As the belt rotates forward, these special wire bristles catch on what we call an accelerator bar, snap off that bar, and impact the surface. When they impact the surface, they're going to remove coating, scale, and corrosion and impart a profile into the surface. You will be getting a profile ranging from 2.7 to 3.3 mm on a steel surface. Our benchmark steel being API 5L, your typical pipeline steel. Let's take a look at the MBX Bristle Blaster in action. When we go to work with the Bristle Blaster, you want to engage the tool prior to setting down on the surface, and then you want to work steadily in a left to right motion, working across the surface. You're holding the Bristle Blaster down at a slight angle so that the wires coming off the accelerator bar will slam down into the surface, removing the coating and corrosion and imparting the profile onto the surface. What you don't want to do is work in a sawing motion or in a scrubbing motion. You want to work easily, side to side, overlapping slightly, going back in the other direction, working down into the area that you're cleaning. This is a low RPM tool which delivers torque to the surface, which will enable you to clean steadily without applying pressure to the surface. Only light pressure is required when using the Bristle Blaster. So let's take a look at our results. You can see that we've completely removed the corrosion and the coating from the surface and delivered a near white surface clean. Measuring the profile, you can see that we're going to range from a low of about 2.9 to over 4 mil on the surface, giving you an excellent profile for bonding. Now, the next thing that you need to know is what is the production rate of the Bristle Blaster. You're going to be able to clean 12 to 15 square feet per hour, which is excellent production for power tool cleaning. What is the lifespan of my belts? The belt life is going to vary depending upon the surface and the user, but typically it's going to range from 60 to 90 minutes, and these belts can be resharpened. All you need to do is reverse them in the housing, run them backwards on a grinding stone or some concrete for 30 to 60 seconds, and then put them back in the correct direction in the housing. This can be done 4 or 5 times, giving you an additional 15 minutes per sharpening. So, when your job requires small area surface preparation, spot repairs, or abrasive blasting is either prohibited or not economical, the MBX Bristle Blaster is your solution. Call us today. We'd like to discuss your application.